Good morning to all. Let us do some sums for class 12 matrix chapter. I am taking the question from the book M.L. Agarwal of exercise 3.4, 16 number. If A equal to 1 minus 4, 3 column matrix is given and B it is a row matrix minus 1, 2, 1, verify that A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, this is a very important question given. A given, B given, you have to verify A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. A is a column matrix having one column given 1 minus 4 3. B is a matrix, it is a row matrix having minus 1 2 1. Let us see the sum how to solve. Just see. See, number 16 A given, B given, that is minus 1 2 1. First of all, you have to multiply A into B. Both the matrix is multiplication, you know. First row is first row with column. First row is first column, first row is the second column, first row is the third column. You have written here. Again, next, second row with first column, second row with second column, second with third column. Written here. Again, third row with first column, that is minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 1 is 3. That means A into B you are getting 3 by 3 matrix. Again, after that you have to find out A into B transpose, means first row will be converted to first column, second row will be converted to second column, third row is converted to third column. A into B transpose. Next you have to find out A transpose. A transpose means A, it was 1 minus 4, it is a column matrix, then converted to row matrix. See, 1 minus 4 3, this is A transpose. Same process, B given, it is a row matrix, minus 1 2 1, it will be converted to B dash, that will be minus 1 2 1, column matrix. After that you have to multiply B dash into A dash, means B dash equal to this one, A dash, just you have to multiply. Same process, first row with first column, minus 1 into 1 1, minus 1 into minus 4 4, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Next one, second row with first column, 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 2 into 3 6. Next 1, 1 means third row with first column, 1 into 1 1, 1 into minus 4 minus 4, 1 into 3 3. Now you see, B dash into A dash equal to this one, and A into B whole dash one transpose, you get this. Both are equal coming or not? Therefore, finally A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A. In this way, question number 16 completed. I hope it is clear for you. Today I am just giving the revision of matrix chapter from the book M.L. Agarwal. Let us go next sum. Question number 17 of exercise 3.4 M.L. Agarwal book ISC. If A given 2 by 2 rows, 3 rows, 2 columns, 3 by 2 matrix, and B also given 3 by 2 matrix, then verify that 2A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second part given, A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Let us see how to solve. Okay, just I am showing the process of solving. See, 17 number, A given 1 2 4 1 5 6, B given 1 2 6 4 7 3. I am telling row wise. To prove 2A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Let us see. First of all, you have to write left hand side. What is your left hand side? 2A. First we find 2A. 2A plus B whole transpose. Means 2A, it will be how much? Just to multiply 2 with A, this will be 2, 4. Just have to multiply 2 with each element. 2, 4, 8, 2, 8, 2, 10, 12. Yes or no? 2 is multiplied with, after that B. B is what is written? That is 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3. After that you have to add, after addition you have to convert transpose matrix. Plain addition is there. 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 2 6, 8 plus 6 14, 2 plus 4 6, 10 plus 7 17, 12 plus 3 15. That transpose means first row will be converted to first column like this, second row converted to second column, and third row converted to third row that is 17 and 15. Row conversion to column. First row, see, first row is converted to first column, second row converted to second column, third row converted to third column. In this way, 2a plus b whole transpose. After that, you have to find out that is right hand side. What is right hand side? 2a transpose. 2a transpose. A transpose means A is how much? 2a transpose A is this one. Row wise telling 1, 2, 4, 1, 5. This will be converted to column. 1, 2 means you have to write in row, column wise. 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6. This is converted to A transpose plus B transpose. Same process. B transpose B is how much? 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3. Write in column wise. Like 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3. Okay. After that, you have to multiply. You have to multiply 2. You have to everywhere 2, 2, 2, 8, 10, 4, 2, 12. And this one also same thing. You add 1, 6, 7, 2, 4, 3. After that, just plain addition. 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 6, 14, 10 plus 7, 17. This will be 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 12 plus 3, that is 15. Okay. Now see, both are equal coming or not? Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way, this question also completed. Okay, first part, 17 first part completed. Let us go to the second part. See, 17 number second part question, you have to prove A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Left hand side, you have to copy the question A minus B transpose. First of all, A minus B. I have written here A values and B values. 1 minus 1, 0. This all 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. 1 minus 4, minus 3. 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. 6 minus 3, that is 3. Then you have to find out transpose of this matrix. Transpose means first row converted to first column, that is 0, 0. Second, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, 3. The left hand side is completed. After that, you have to find out right hand side. Right hand side, what is right hand side? A transpose. A transpose means what is A? This is A given, you have to write A transpose means 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6. This one is A transpose. Minus B transpose is how much? B is how much? Just you see. B, what is B given? That you have to first row wise 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3. It will be converted to 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3. First row converted to first column, second row converted to second column, third row converted to third column. Now you have to subtract. 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 6, minus 2, 1 minus 4, minus 3, 5 minus 7, minus 2, 6 minus 3, 3. Now you see both are equal coming or not? Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way, the 17 second part also complete. In this way, few questions today I have done number 16 and number 17 two part. Okay, let us go next part. Question number 13, I have taken the question from this exercise 3.4 ML. A given 5 minus 1, 6, 7, B given 2, 1, 3, 4. To prove A transpose, again transpose, double transpose equal to A. You have to show it. Again 3A whole transpose is equal to 3 into A transpose. Okay. And the third one given A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Fourth part given A into B transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay. So first let us solve one by one. The first part, your left hand side given A transpose. A transpose will be how much? Just A. 5 minus 1, it will be converted to 5 minus 1, 6, 7. Means A transpose, row will be converted to column, column will be row. Okay, first row 5 minus 1 converted to column. Second 6, 7, it is converted to second. Now this transpose will be how much? Again same thing, 5, 6, minus 1, 7. This one is left hand side. And what is the right hand side? That is A. This is nothing but A proved, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, verified. The second part given left hand side 3A whole transpose. That means you have to multiply 3 with A. If you multiply 3 with A, this will be 15 minus 3, 18, 21 whole transpose. Means 15 minus 3 will be written in column, 18, 21 in second column. This is left hand side. Now right hand side is what? 3 into A transpose. What is A transpose? A transpose, A is given 5 minus 1, that will be converted to 5 minus 1, 6, 7. Now multiply 3, it will be 15, 18, minus 3, 21. Both are equal coming or not? Yes or no? Equal coming. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this was second part also completed. Let us go to the third part. Third part question given. Third minus given A minus B whole transpose. First of all, A minus B how much? A given 5 minus 1, 6, 7 minus B. B is how much given? 2, 1, 3, 4 whole transpose. So first of all, you subtract 5 minus 2 is how much? 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 6 minus 3, 3, 7 minus 4, 3 whole transpose. So this will be how much? First row will be converted to first column, 3 minus 2. Then second row converted to 3, 3, 3 converted to second column. This is the A minus B whole transpose. After that, right hand side is what? A transpose minus B transpose. A transpose will be first row 5 minus 1, it will be converted to 5 minus column. Then 6, 7 minus B transpose. Same process, 2, 1, 3, 4. Now minus it. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. 6 minus 3, 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now you see both are equal coming or not? Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, third part also completed. Next I am finding fourth part, A into B whole transpose. First of all, you multiply A into B. A is how much? 5 minus 1, 6, 7 into B. B is how much? 2, 1, 3, 4. Just to multiply whole transpose. Multiplication as usual, 5 into 2, 10. Row with column, first row with first column. After 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 will be how much? 7. Then same, first row with second column, 5 into 1, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 1. Again second, 6 to the 12 minus 6 to the 12 plus 21, that means 33. Next one, 6 1 is 6 plus 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 6, 34. Again transpose you have to find out. That means 7, 1, 33, 34. This one is your left hand side. Okay. Next you have to find out right hand side, that is B transpose into A transpose. B transpose will be converted to same process, 2, 1, 3, 4. That is B transpose. A transpose will be 5 minus 1, 6, 7. 6, 7. Just to multiply. How much coming? 2 5 is 10 minus 3 is 7. Again first with the second column, 2 6 is 12 plus 21, 33. Then second row with first column, second row with first column, 1 5 is 5 minus 4, that is 1. Then next second row with second column, 1 4 6 is 6 plus 4 7 is 28. 28 plus 6, that is 34. Now both are equal coming or not? Okay. In this way, fourth part also completed. Today I have done few questions from the chapter Matrix, exercise 3.4 from your book ISC ML Agarwal. Thank you for today's class. Next I'll do more sums.